Well, welcome to my next lecture, that is the development of vertebrae eye. So, in particularly, development of lens is very important topic for PG students here. So, it is one of the topics. Just you have to understand about in the major topics like organogenesis, you know that eyes are organs of visual system. They provide animal with vision, the ability to receive the process of visual details. Cells from both the mesoderm and ectoderm tissue contribute to this formation of eye actually. The major development of eye takes place between 3 and week 10th of the development, which involves ectoderm, neural crest cells and mesenchyme cells actually. The vertebrae eye comprises tissues from different embryonic origin actually. The lens and the cornea are derived from the surface ectoderm. The retina and epithelial layers of the iris and ciliary body are from the anterior neural plates actually. Morphological development of vertebrae eye begins with the formation of an outpouching of the diencephalon called optic vesicle. Just you can check the figure given right side. So the optic vessel, you can refer in the right side, A. The optic vesicle subsequently contacts the head ectoderm, so you can check the the B, and signals the induction of pseudo stratified thickening of the ectoderm called lens placoids. That is the first one, C, you can refer. So it becomes almost like lens placoid actually. Placoid is the, otherwise we call it as a primary or preliminary lens in this development. The lens placoid invaginate and separate from the surrounding ectoderm to form a lens vesicle actually. As you can see, the D and E in this regard actually. Usually the cells of the lens vesicle differentiated into fiber cells, characteristics of adult lens actually. As you can see the F thing. Although the early stage of vertebrate eye development have been the subject of numerous embryological experiments, until recently little was known about the molecular identity of regulators involved in this thing actually. Recently, PAX6, otherwise PAX6, a member of vertebrate paired box family of transcription factor, provide an exception to this actually, as its expression pattern initially suggested a role in eye development actually. Prior to lens induction, PAX6 is expressed in a broad domain of head ectoderm and in the optic vesicle actually, as shown in the figure, the next figure that you are going to check this one here. And expression become restricted to the lens placoid, lens vesicle and optic vesicle as develop proceeds actually. Just you can refer the next coming picture. Here the picture, just you can see the placoid development in the A, B and as well as C actually. Restriction of PAX 6. To lens placard ectoderm occur prior to ectodermal thickening actually. Just you can see that is a thickening of what you call it as the placard, lens placard takes place during the later development of what is that embryo. This suggesting that PAX6 expression in the ectoderm is regulated in response to inductive signals from the optic vesicle. So, any induction or a response or any kind of a signals which make the what is the development of ectodermal thickening in this region that is shown in the what is that C. During the development of lens, the lens placoid round up and contact the new overlaying ectoderm. That is what the previous slide just I explained. The lens vehicle then induce the ectoderm to form a transparent cornea. So it becomes very transparent, because once it becomes very transparent, it indicates there is something like change is going to happen there. Intraocular fluid pressure make the correct curvature of the cornea so that the light can be focused on the retina. Look at that. If the lens vesicle it becomes very thin and transparent based on the pressure of the intraocular fluid, which make the exact curvature so that it can get the light into it and focus on the retina exactly, so that the image can be generated. In the inner portion cell of the lens vesicle elongate and under the influence of a neural retina become lens fiber actually. So under the influence of neural retina, so the lens placoid or lens vesicle become lens fiber actually. So as these fiber continues to grow, they synthesize crystallins which eventually fill up the cells and cause the extrusion of nucleus actually. So these crystalline synthesizing fiber grow and fill the space between the two layers of the lens vesicle. So all these processes involve change in the cell structure and shape, as well as the synthesis of transparent lens specific protein called crystallins actually. So these crystallins give the signals and it makes the the lens vesicle to form the exact lens fiber which can grab or which can facilitate for the image formation in the animals. The anterior, so the picture indicates that the anterior cell of the lens vesicle constitute a germinal epithelium. Just you can see the picture A, vesicle and outer area, which keep dividing all the time. It divides, and these dividing cells move towards the equator of the vesicle. You can see the B structure where the equator lens equilibrium or equator is generated of the vesicle, and as they pass through the equatorial region, they too begin to elongate. See the picture, just see how these fibers elongates actually. Okay. Thus, the lens containing three important regions. Now, as it becomes elongated and it becomes like the primary lens fiber and the secondary lens fiber develops actually. Thus, the lens containing three important regions. One is the anterior zone of dividing epithelial cells, an equatorial zone of a cellular elongation, and the third one is the posterior and central zone of crystalline containing fiber cells actually. So you have two cells here, as I said, the primary lens fiber and the secondary lens fibers formation takes place in the third stage. This arrangement persists throughout the lifetime of the animal, as the fibers are continuously being laid down actually. Thank you, student. Just this is the end of the unit 3, and follow the other lecture series for unit 4 in the next class. Thank you very much.